For over 40 years, Heliocol has been the world's leading solar pool heating system. It has been installed in over 400,000 swimming pools in more than 50 countries worldwide. Heliocol Installation and Operation. First, connect additional pipes to the existing pool equipment piping. The new pipes go up to the roof. Then use a chalk line as a guide and connect the gator clamps to the roof structure using an adhesive and screws. Ensure all connections are sealed as per local building codes. The Heliocol system is designed to be attached to roof trusses, making it more secure in harsh weather. Now, position the collectors on the roof between the gator clamps. If there are any obstructions on the roof, these can be bypassed to take optimal advantage of the surface. The collectors are connected using suitable PVC pipes, connectors, and clamps. Connecting the solar collectors together. After positioning out the solar connectors, connect them together. Spacer bars help to align riser tubes, maximize energy absorption, and protect the roof. Insert the panel clamp gasket between the collector manifolds and connect them to each other. Lift the collectors slightly and tighten the clamp's connection using the bottom panel clamp, the top panel clamp, and the panel clamp latch that keeps both clamps together. Finally, lock the clamps in place using the collector manifolds. Now go to the bottom gator clamp and connect the top gator clamp to it from above, pressing down to lock the two together. The gator clamps are designed in a way to facilitate easy installation and minimize the need for drilling into the roof. The longer gator clamps are designed to give the panels room to contract and expand. Connecting the solar collectors to the feed and return lines. First, position the pipes on the roof, then close the unused ports with the end caps and the panel clamp assembly. Finally, connect the lines using the CPVC pipe connector, the panel clamp assembly, and a PVC pipe. The vacuum relief valve allows the system to drain down by gravity, extending the life of the system. That's it. The system is ready for operation. Water from the pool is fed into the solar collectors, which heat it and send it back to the pool, providing free heat from the sun.